Hi folks, here's a quick lesson on coffee grinder. Now, what is a coffee grinder? How does it look like? So here you go. Starting position is your feet are tucked, okay? And you're kind of a seated position here. And the coffee grinder looks something like this. Okay? So that being said, how do we do it? All that is to coffee grinder is number one, timing, and number two, shifting the weight, right? Let's take a look at shifting the weight. How do we shift the weight? Quick exercise before we actually get into the coffee grinder. Let's say the starting position is this. Right now, all of my weight are kind of stacked on top of the balls of my feet, right? So everything is on my feet. And now, what I want you to do is throw the hands forward, palm flat onto the floor, a little away from the body, so you would actually lean forward. You have to shift some weight to your hand. And the moment you do that, you will feel that your feet get slightly lighter because some of the weights are right now being carried by your hands, right? And what I want you to do is use the timing. The moment your hand falls, jump up a little bit. Just a tiny bit. Just a tiny bit. Right? All we're doing here is shifting the weight from our feet to our hands, right? And we basically need to have make use of this timing when our feet are up in the air to circle the other leg all the way around it. So we'll see what that means in a second, right? So let's see, in slow motion, how does it look like? We are in a starting position, entire weight on our feet. Then what we do, we place both the hands on the floor. Right now, my entire weight is basically taken care of by the 2 feet and the 2 hands, right? A little bit weight on my hands, I feel them, and a little bit weight on my feet. Then, let's say I decide to circle my right leg around. So my right leg, I extend it to the back. And it's straight. I try to keep it straight as much as I can. Then it starts circling. It circles out and comes all the way up until it basically encounters my right hand. My right hand is blocking its way, right? So what I do, I free up the place for my leg to pass through. I lift up my right hand. My right leg passes through and immediately I lower my right hand down on the floor. I'm stable again. And my leg travels until it comes across my left hand. My left hand now needs to give way. Left hand lifts up, right leg travels, left hand comes down onto the floor. And now is where my left foot got into the way, right? And this is the time I need to jump up so that my right leg can travel under it. And this is basically the exercise that we've been doing before, was because of. So what we do is a little hop, pass the right leg under, and it comes around until it encounters my right hand again. Lift it up, lift the left hand, little jump, right hand up, left hand up, jump,